Well, for families, it's a small price for the grief and pain of losing their loved ones. Eric and Ryan Jensen were ordered to pay victims affected by listeria-tainted cantaloupe from their farm. Only 3 people submitted the paperwork asking for money for medical expenses, legal fees, and funeral services. KRDO News Channel 13's Emily Allen spoke to the wife of a Southern Colorado victim.
Heather, only 3 victims filed declarations of losses by the March 11th deadline. They've asked for $13,000, only a fraction of the $300,000 a judge told the brothers they owe victims.
It's hard.
For Penny Hauser, no amount of money will ever heal her heart.
Mike was just such a terrific person. I mean, just, a wonderful doctor. He was a podiatrist and a wonderful friend. And just this great husband, love of my life. We were married 45 years.
Her husband, Michael, died after he ate his favorite fruit in August of 2011. She planned to file a declaration of losses for Michael's medical bills. They're more than $1 million.
There's the loss of him, the loss of his income, the loss of his companionship. How do you account for any of that?
She missed the deadline for the paperwork.
It's my own fault, but I didn't see the date on it, and I didn't see a date on the court paperwork.
150 people were sent to the hospital, and 33 people died in the outbreak. Court documents showed the U.S. Attorney's Office is aware that many victims specifically chose not to participate in the restitution order. Still, Hauser is surprised more victims didn't file.
Did they not get the cover letter? Did they think they had more time? I mean, since this case has dragged on for 2.5 years, then all of a sudden maybe it's done in a month or 2 that you have to have the paperwork in. Maybe they didn't realize it.
After months in the hospital, Hauser's husband finally came home. She was by his side when complications from listeria became too much.
When you take your vows, that's what I believed in. And so for better, for worse, sickness and in health, that was my job.
The Jensen brothers' lawyer declined to comment. We'll be following up with the Seattle-based law firm representing the victims in this case to see if anything can be done. In the Newsplex, Emily Allen, KRDO News Channel 13.
Hey, you sure can't put a price on life. Thanks, Emily.